Who makes Sealy Mattress? If you're curious about who is behind the comfortable and quality mattresses from Sealy, you're in the right place. Let's take a look at the history and the people involved in making these mattresses. Sealy mattresses have a rich history that dates back to 1881 in Sealy, Texas. It all started with Daniel Haynes, a builder who began making cotton-filled mattresses for his friends. Haynes innovated by creating a machine to compress the cotton, which led him to license this machine to other manufacturers. These manufacturers produced what became known as mattresses from Sealy, and the name stuck. Today, Sealy is a major mattress manufacturer with a long-standing commitment to quality and innovation. The company has evolved over the years, but it remains dedicated to providing comfortable and supportive mattresses. Sealy mattresses are made in various manufacturing facilities, primarily in the United States. When you order a Sealy mattress online, it is sent to one of these U.S.-based facilities where it is carefully built to order. This process ensures durability, comfort, and support, reflecting Sealy's commitment to quality. The manufacturing process involves several key components. For example, the Sealy Posturepedic Exquisite mattresses are made with advanced technologies such as the Reese 2 coils and Unicased XT, which provide 3 stages of support and maintain the spine's optimal alignment. Additionally, these mattresses feature premium comfort layers, including gel-infused memory foam, to relieve pressure and keep you cool during the night. Sealy also offers a range of mattress lines, including the Cool and Clean and Essential lines, each designed to cater to different needs and preferences. The Cool and Clean line, for instance, is a hybrid mattress with a focus on temperature regulation, while the Essential line is an all-foam or hybrid option that is more affordable. In summary, Sealy mattresses are made by the Sealy Company, which has a history spanning over 140 years. The mattresses are manufactured in U.S.-based facilities using innovative technologies and high-quality materials to ensure comfort and support for all types of sleepers.